Vinyl lovers, are you getting the best sound from your precious LPs? The answer might surprise you. Let's dive in. Hello vinyl fans, I'm Ray Miller, your guide to audio excellence. Today, we're exploring a game changer in record care, the ProJect VC-E2 record cleaning machine, brought to you by Audio Advisor. ProJect Audio Systems, the renowned turntable manufacturer from Vienna, Austria, has applied their expertise to solve a critical issue for vinyl lovers: how to keep your records pristine. Enter the VC-E2, a compact powerhouse that thoroughly cleans your LPs in just 2 rotations. Made in Europe, this beauty combines industrial design appeal with cutting-edge cleaning technology. It's the perfect solution for preserving your vinyl's sound quality. But what sets the VC-E2 apart? For starters, it uses ProJect's eco-friendly, non-alcoholic cleaning fluid, Wash It 2. This specially formulated solution ensures your records are cleaned effectively without risking damage to the delicate grooves. And the VC-E2 features a new magnetic clamp that speeds up the cleaning process and protects your record labels. No more tedious screwing down the clamp. Just place the magnetic clamp on the LP and clean. The robust metal arm focuses all suction power directly onto the record surface, paired with a self-adhesive arm strip for perfect cleaning. And don't worry about mess. The half-liter internal container collects used fluid and is a breeze to empty. Speed is the name of the game here. The VC-E2 cleans and completely dries your records in just 2 rotations. That's lightning-fast care for your vinyl, getting you back to the music quicker. But the VC-E2 doesn't just clean, it rejuvenates. It removes the static load from your vinyl, a common culprit of unwanted noise. The result? Cleaner records, less static, and most importantly, better sound. It's like hearing your favorites for the first time. With its compact size, just 12.2 by 10.5 by 8.3 inches, the VC-E2 fits easily into any setup. And at a mere 14.3 pounds, it's surprisingly portable. Listen to what the critics are saying. Mark Henschel from SoundMatters.com says, "The ProJect VC-E remains the best option for those seeking a high-performing vacuum-based record cleaning machine that doesn't break the bank." In the VC-E2 package, you get everything you need to immediately start cleaning LPs, including enough solution to clean dozens and dozens of records, a fluid applicator brush, an extra felt cleaning strip, and the tools to install it yourself. Most users find the strips will last for years. At Audio Advisor, we're committed to helping you get the most out of your vinyl experience. Our team of experts is ready to guide you through selecting and using the VC-E2, ensuring you achieve the best possible sound from your cherished record collection. Ready to elevate your vinyl game? Visit audioadvisor.com or call 800-942-0220 to learn more about or purchase the ProJect VC-E2. Your records and your ears will thank you for years to come. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more vinyl care tips. This is Ray Miller, signing off and dropping the needle on some clean vinyl.